Chris Farmer, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. I've had MS over 20 years now. I love to walk again. Keep up the good work, guys. Women as well. I need MRP now. See you later, thanks.